The My Dashboard page is the first page that you will see when logging into your Property Nexus CRM. This page shows you all the things that need your most urgent attention. Depending on your portfolio, you may have access to view this page for your team or for everyone in the company, and this can be toggled in the drop-down list at the top of the page. The pipeline graph shows your sales funnel, starting with the leads that you are working on, the viewings that you have already set for the coming days, the listings that you are working on, and the offers that you have in process. You should always make sure that you keep your sales funnel well stocked to ensure consistent transactions in the coming weeks and months. This graph gives managers the overview of the health of the team's pipeline and will allow you to easily spot potential problems in advance. Next, you will see the tables with your pending leads, listings, and offers, as well as transactions and payment for management profiles. These tables show you the leads and listings that need your most urgent attention, and you can view these records directly by clicking on the links in the tables. On the right of the page, you have the activities block, which shows the next 14 days of activities. You can also add new activities directly from this block to any record.